We'll do it very soon. See?
Mm.
Again, I do like this so it's easier for her to see. I was just pretending not paying attention to her. She's taking too long. She'll do it. See? And it's funny because not only she does that to grab your hand, but she also like does a loving bite in your hand too to say, hey, please look at me. She always responds.
Run away.
Just because I said that, she stopped responding.
Run away.
She loves attention.
Bad, Nana Wing.